Alright, so two of the questions that we're going to answer today are, what are the two main products of the incineration of metal paper? This is the metal paper. And how did incineration change the paper? So we're going to use all this information to figure out how incineration can be useful to get rid of waste. So we have that copper chloride solution, and this is essentially paper that's been soaked in the copper chloride solution that we're going to incinerate today. This, on the other hand, is plain old-fashioned construction paper that I stole from my children. They'll be fine. So we're going to ball it up, and we're going to burn both pieces of paper. Okay, so we're going to ball it up. Whew. Doesn't ball up very well, does it? Okay. So it's supposed to be a two-step process. I'm supposed to burn one piece of paper and then collect the smoke in a bag. So we're going to do this all at one time, just to save on time. So we're going to do the plain one first. And I have a plastic baggie and it has a little bit of water inside it. The water is to help catch the smoke so that we can then study it later. Try not to get too close. I don't want to burn the bag. And smoke inside. Alright, so there's some smoke inside the bag. So let's look at the paper. What happened to the paper? So the plain paper, the flame was yellow. It let off clearish flame and smoke. We have smoke stuck inside. So now we're going to add a couple drops of ammonia to the smoke inside to see if there's any heavy metals, so like copper chloride. Okay, that's about 6 drops. And mix it up. I don't know if you can zoom in on the liquid here, but I don't see any color change in the liquid at all. So no color change means there is no presence of any heavy metals. And we know that ammonia reacts with the copper chloride and turns it what color? That's right, blue. So there is no copper chloride present. There's no copper present, no heavy metals in the plain paper. Alright, so now we'll get a good match. We're going to burn the copper chloride paper. Remember to look at the color of the flames, color of the exhaust, or the doesn't like to light. You see the color of the flame? It's very frustrating. There's technical difficulties. Let's do this. Got it to burn earlier tonight. Come on. flame. And we're going to collect some of the smoke in the bag. There we go. Blue. Okay, so notice the flame is blue. Took a lot longer for that paper to light than the regular paper. Anyone want to guess why? Alright. Some smoke caught inside. Add a little more water to rinse the sides of the bag. I don't have a water dropper here at home. Right, so we're going to rinse off the sides of the bag a little, see if we can catch anything. Alright, so we've got some water here. Let's test it to see if there's any copper in the smoke. What do you guys think? Is there going to be copper in the smoke? Mr. Rusky hopes not, because it's in his kitchen. Do you see any color change? Do you see any presence of copper in the ammonia? Nope. Mr. Rusky is very happy that there is no copper present in the ammonia water solution. So we've got incineration of plain paper, incineration of copper chloride paper. We have no heavy metals or copper present in the smoke of either. Alright, so now let's see where the copper actually went.